Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert the JavaScript code to your app projects on Retool. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your app project on Retool. Next, what you want to do is select the page you would like to add the JavaScript code to. I will go with this page here. So select the Pages tool, select the page here. After that, navigate to the coding tab here on the left hand side. You may also use the shortcut here. So what you want to do after that is select the page here. And after that, what you want to do is, for example, click into that plus button to apply it to your page. And from that menu, select the type of code you would like to go with. So here under a JavaScript, select the type like query or variable. I will go for query. And then you will see this menu here, general, response, and advanced. So you may give it a name here at the top. I will leave it at query 2. And here under resource, enter your JavaScript code. So let me go, for example, I'm not a coding expert, so enter it here. And once that's done, guys, what you want to do is navigate to the event handlers here. And you may, for example, customize these by clicking into this plus button here and go through the action, for instance, which in this case here is to control query, and do the same for the failure. Click into that plus button and select an option for the action here to edit the event handler. And what you want to do in the final step, guys, is click into save here in the top right and also confirm to see the query in the given app by clicking into this button or by using that shortcut, which is basically enter on your keyboard, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.